Hey y'all, it's Minnie with TexasGalStudio. Welcome back to my channel. I am here helping out hubby fix our washing machine. So the motor for the draining part of the washing machine messed up. We're there. Obviously, we came into YouTube to figure it out. He figured it out and he said, come here, come learn something. So I'm here using a screwdriver, taking some screws out to take that motor out and to replace it with the new one. And that's pretty much it. I wanted to just share this in case you're having trouble with your washing machine and you have access to be able to, flip it over and change it. Do it yourself. It was a lot easier than having to buy a brand new one because I hate buying new appliances. We are actually having trouble right now with our oven now. Aside from this, now this one's done. Now the oven is giving us a little bit of trouble, but that might be another video. I'm not sure, but stay tuned. I have other little clips that I'm going to add to this as well. Added some of that tape and look at that motor. Yuck. And the washing machine is finally working and draining. Super excited for that. Let's change the scenery a little bit and go over to McAllen's Parade. This is the first time my kiddos will be performing in this particular parade, so enjoy the little show that I get to post up. Then on Sunday, we headed over to my daughter's troop, or our troops, decorate a cake at Dairy Queen, and they had so much fun. That's my daughter decorating her cake. So I'm going to show you some clips where I'm trying different styles of attire because I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to use for my hubby's Christmas party. And these are just little shorts that I also create over on Instagram. So if you're not following me on Instagram, you can go over and follow me under TexasGalStudio or Voltage by Len and Attitude. So what you're seeing here is hubby's company party. We had a fantastic time. This is a time where we get to hang and talk with our line family. These are our friends that we don't get to see every day because, you know, life gets in the way. They have kiddos, we have kiddos, they have, you know, full-time jobs. So just coming together, celebrating with dancing and having some beveraginos, always feels so great. Thank y'all so much for joining me. I'll be back with another video. Y'all be safe, stay strong. Attitude is everything. Bye.